Drone hunters. Dun, 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 dun. Going drone hunting when I lost the drone. I thought I hit a tree with it over the water, but then when you and I watched the footage, we were convinced it went in the water, which there's no point in looking for it in the water in that lake because the water's green, you can't see anything. But editor Chris watched the footage and he swears he saw a leaf or a branch. So he thinks I did hit a tree and maybe it's on shore in the bushes. So we're gonna go hunt and we'll find out. Although it didn't go in the water and get wet, it's rained a lot since that day we lost it. So it may be trashed either way, but getting the memory card out of it would be awesome. All right.
He thinks it's right over there.
So it was hovering right where that tree kind of comes out over the water, and you drove away to the right, and I think I tried to go up and follow you, and I was looking at the screen and I was seeing you, but I didn't see the tree above me, and so my first thought was I hit the tree and it went in the water. Chris thinks I might have hit the tree and it might have gone on land because he says he didn't see a splash when it went down. So that would be killer.
Well, that's really shallow right there, so we can walk over there. If it's in the water, there's a good chance we can find it.
Yeah. Let's hope it's on land.
Oh, wow. Bunch of bluegill right here. Water feels good. I can kind of see about 2 foot down, but other than that, can't see much.
12 volts in the lake, trying to find the missing drone. I'm gonna go up on land and try to find it. The reason we're trying to find the drone is we have the footage because it streamed to our phone while we were filming, but that's the low resolution version of the footage. The high def version, the one you want to put on YouTube for you guys, that's on the memory card in the drone. So if we could find the drone, that would be great. If I could not get poison oak, that would also be great. So when it first happened, what I saw on the screen was...
I found it.
You found it?
It's in the water.
It's in the water?
Yeah, it's right here.
No way.
It's literally sitting on top of a rock, like ready to take off.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me see here. How can I get in there without getting poison ivy? Ah, dude, there it is. It was so close to shore.
Man, I was wrong. I thought it was like 100 feet out there, but yeah, I guess.
Oh, that's right. That's why I didn't go look for it. I remember now because you were like, dude, I saw it out over the middle of the lake when I was driving.
I don't know what I saw, but yeah. So if you were driving while looking at the screen, you weren't actually seeing where the drone was in like real view there, and you didn't see the trees, so.
Yeah, so I was hovering here while you were pulling out, and then I went to follow you, and I must have just clipped these tree branches right here, just sunk the thing.
Okay.
Moment of triumph. Dun, dun, dun! Does it look broke?
It's not broke.
So it said something on the screen like rotor malfunction, which must have been when I hit the tree.
Yeah, you got it all tangled up.
And then it hit the water and it said lost connection. And now it's probably junk because it's been in the lake, but I don't know. Put it in some rice, let it dry out, pull the memory card, and see what happens.
Nice day for a swim. Water feels great.
Nice work, Newbern. I'm gonna go the other way. This is what victory looks like. Yeah.
Victory will be if it still works.
It was funny is like, I posted a story on YouTube about, you know, the drone going down, and I'm like, thanks DJI. And somebody's like, you know, if you send them the serial number, they can find the coordinates and find it for you, and it probably just malfunctioned and it was all their fault. And I'm like, nah, I'm pretty sure I put it in a tree, but whatever. And yeah, sure enough, I hit the tree and it went in the water.
All right, your
At least I'm guessing that's what happened.
drone pilot license is temporarily revoked.
I've been grounded?
Literally.
I don't know if that's quite fair. Dude, put it back here. Let's see if we can get the card out of it. Let's see, what do we got? We got some schmagma.
Yeah.
All right. There's the card. Yeah, we got the card. Dude.
And we'll have extra GoPro footage because that's from GoPro A. So we had to borrow it to put in this. So now we get all our footage back from the GoPro and this.
Yeah. Nice. Dude,
Chris nailed it. He was like, dude, I seen some big leaves. It's right on the bank somewhere. I was like, for real? So we went straight to those big leaves right over there. Sure enough, it was 2 feet in the water. So.
Editor's always right. I bet if we dry it out, this thing may work again.
It might. Like I said, there's a lot of crap inside of it, though. So we'll take it apart and, gently blow it out. And I don't know.
This is a DJI Mavic Mini. Crashed it a week ago in my lake. Just found it, just got it out. You can see it's still wet. And just hitting the air here in Georgia, it's already starting to rust. So I don't know how to save it. I don't know if it can be saved, but I'm going to hit it up with contact cleaner real quick and hope that she's not totally ruined, and that by doing this, maybe we'll keep it from completely corroding now that it's exposed to the air and the elements. I don't know, blow it out with compressed air at that point and hope for the best. Looks like it's got some Georgia red clay in there. See how it looks like it started rusting already. It's not good.
We've used it 4 times and now it's on the table.
Was it even 4 times? I feel like I don't even know if we used it that many times.
I wouldn't put a lot to it. I just barely.
If we could save this thing, that would be pretty amazing. Even if it just flew for like 3 more minutes, just give it life one more time.
Just let it go up and land and end it there,
Yeah, no memory card this time because it can't be trusted, and obviously neither can I to fly it. But just let it go out one more time. Let it buzz the tower one more time. One more Admiral's daughter, We just dropped something else in the water recently and used up all the rice on that. Does that even work? Does the rice trick work?
So, years ago, I wrecked a truck into a river, flipped upside down into a river, and me and my buddy lost both our phones. And we put our phones in rice. His came on and worked the next day. Mine didn't. But it definitely works.
So it's got a 50% success rate.
That's right.
It's worth a try. All the flux capacitors in there.
Yeah.
A lot of uranium P32 explosive space modulators. I don't think you want to get those wet. Armageddon if those get wet. That's what happens. God, the more air I put in it, the more water comes out of it, dude. I don't think we're gonna get to test this today. I think it's just gonna have to.
Oh no, that's gonna be a solid several days in the rice.
Next stage, rice. Then we'll report back with a fresh battery. Well, sat around for a couple of weeks, let it dry, cleaned it as best we could, but inside it is crusty. Look at that right down in there. And outside, it is rusty. I don't know, man. I don't know. We're going to give it a shot, but I don't have a lot of hope for the little old Mavic. Pretty sure if we try to fire this up, if it does take off, it's going to go Maverick. Yeah. We might lose Goose here today. Let's find out, though. Maybe it will fly, because it's attracting other things with wings. Look at that. Oh yeah. The Mavic wants to fly. You want to be up there with your little buddies, don't you? Hopefully your little buddy is like cleaning off some rust or something. That maybe that'll be the difference between flying and not flying. Yeah, we need a big wide open area. A, in case it just decides to smoke itself and catch on fire. But B, if it goes up about 5 feet and goes nuts, it'd be great if it didn't hit my house and burn it down.
Okay. Insert the memory card. This thing, I don't see how it's going to work. This thing's full of crap.
Shake it out real quick. It'll work, dude. It'll work.
Okay.
Oh, you think it'll work? I think Bo thinks it'll work.
Ready?
This is where the fire would happen. Like if it's gonna go. Maybe keep it away from your face.
Oh my God, it came on.
What? I heard it beep.
It's on.
I heard it beep,
The
dude.
thing is on.
I heard it beep. Somebody way smarter than us could fix this.
Yeah.
Like, I bet somebody in the comments section could fix this. Ooh, I heard a beep.
That was just an email.
Damn. The spam sounded real good right about now. Let me guess. Your car's extended warranty was about to expire again?
Pretty much.
A 97 Tahoe?
So 2001.
Yeah, I'd claim that too. Oh, you want it to fly? I'll make it fly.
No.
There, dude. Technically, that flew. This thing's dead, bro. It's not coming back.
It's even flashing. It's ready to go. Wait.
Did I just fix it? Turn it over. Or maybe it just knows it's upside down. Maybe there's like a perfect height. Like if I were to drop this off the roof of my house or a bridge, maybe there's a perfect height and a perfect bounce that will scientifically re-scramble this thing's brains and make it fly again. I feel like it's a lack of motivation. That's what's happening here. Not for me, just for the drone. Explosives would fix this. Oh, what do you think? Should we blow it up?
like you. Keep on waiting for a sign. Haven't seen the light of day. No single particle is turning. Still no ambition to leave. That's why